Hey guys, you probably have been looking for how to create consistent characters for your AI stories. Well, today let's get straight into how you can get that sorted out. Head over to your browser and type in Tensor Art, then tap sign in. You can sign in with Google or your email, anyone you feel comfortable with. Once you are in, tap on model just on your left bar. Then scroll down to select the type of model you want. Let's go with something realistic for this tutorial. Select it and tap run to start creating your own consistent character. So right now you can see text to image, image to image, text to video, and image to video. But for this tutorial, we are sticking to text to image. Go ahead to change the aspect ratio from custom to landscape, which should suit your 16:9 ratio. And just leave every other settings as they are. Now type in your prompt and negative prompt. Then tap generate. The outcome looks good. The pilot is literally walking out of the plane. Now let's confirm if we would get a consistent face or a different one this time. Tap on the ID. If you don't do this exactly, a different character will be produced. So furthermore, tap remix. Let's change this to a green suit and drinking a smoothie at a restaurant. Go ahead to tap generate, and voila, the pilot still has the same look. Obviously it's without the glasses right now, but if you want anything added or exempted from the image, make sure to be very detailed about how the image should come out. And now you can comfortably convert this into a video, then use it to generate your great stories. If you found this video helpful, check out my next video where I will share more ways to be creative. And while you are at it, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch up in my next one.